Hey there, are you dealing with the frustrating issue of a black screen on your Samsung Crystal UHD TV? This week, we're diving into how to fix the black screen on Samsung Crystal UHD so you can get back to enjoying your favorite shows and movies with ease. A black screen can be vexing, but fear not. Our step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Step 1. Check your connection. First things first, let's tackle the basics. A loose or faulty cable connection could be the culprit behind your black screen. Begin by checking all the HDMI and power cables connected to your Samsung Crystal UHD TV. Make sure they're securely plugged into both the TV and any connected devices such as a cable box or gaming console. If you find any frayed or damaged cables, replace them immediately to avoid further issues. Step 2. Perform a soft reset. If the connections are secure and the black screen persists, the next step is to perform a soft reset of your Samsung Crystal UHD TV. To do this, unplug the TV from the power outlet and wait for about 60 seconds. While unplugged, press and hold the power button on the TV, not the remote, for 10 seconds. This helps in draining any residual power and resets the TV's internal setting. Plug the TV back in and turn it on to see if the issue is resolved. Step 3. Inspect the input source. Your TV might be set to an inactive input source, leading to a black screen. Use your Samsung remote to press the source or input button and cycle through the available input sources. Ensure that the TV is set to the correct input where your device is connected. This simple check can often resolve the problem in no time. Step 4. Check backlight setting. Sometimes the issue isn't a black screen, but rather the backlight being turned off. Navigate to the settings menu on your TV using your remote and adjust the backlight settings. Increase the brightness level to verify whether this resolves the black screen issue. If the menu isn't visible, try using a flashlight to check if there's a faint picture on the screen. If there is, it's likely a backlight issue. Step 5. Update your TV firmware. Like all tech devices, your Samsung Crystal UHD TV requires occasional updates to function seamlessly. Outdated firmware can lead to software glitches, including a black screen. To update, go to the Settings menu, select Support, and then choose Software Update. Follow the prompts to install any available updates. Keeping your TV's firmware up to date ensures optimal performance and compatibility with connected devices. Step 6. Factory reset as a last resort. If none of the previous steps work, consider performing a factory reset. This step will restore your Samsung Crystal UHD TV to its original settings and can often clear up persistent issues. In the Settings menu, find General, then Reset. Enter your TV's security PIN and confirm the reset. Keep in mind that this will erase all customized settings and stored data, so only proceed if you're comfortable reconfiguring your TV. Fixing a black screen on a Samsung Crystal UHD TV might seem daunting, but with these methods, you can tackle the problem effectively. From checking connections to performing a factory reset, each step can help restore your TV to its full functionality. Remember to regularly update your TV's firmware and handle cables with care to prevent future issues. By following this guide, you'll be back to enjoying your viewing experience in no time.